National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, southwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Bedford, Fall River, Dartmouth, Marion, Middleborough, Wareham, Fairhaven, Westport, Lakeville, Acushnet, Freetown, Mattapoisett and Rochester.